K-pop with my corn pops. Don't mind if I do. Why so sad?
You know that volunteer thing I signed up for?
Yeah.
Well, my group canceled on me. Right at the last minute. And if I can't get someone to join me, I'll have to cancel the whole thing.
I gotcha! I got your back!
Really? You do that for me?
I would do anything for you!
You're the best! We're gonna have a great time!
Wait, what's going on?
We're sticking it to the man. You and me in the park, chained to a tree for 2 days.
Whoa. I'm allergic to the outdoors. And selflessness.
No. You said you got me. You can't unget me.
I gotcha. Well, oh no, wait, can we talk about this? Oh, man. Curse you, breakfast jams, you always get me in trouble. How am I gonna get out of this? Think. Ooh. Can you believe this?
What happened?
Oh, well, I was so excited about the whole saving the tree thing with you that I wasn't paying attention. I fell down the stairs and I sprained my everything.
This is terrible.
It's not terrible.
Why couldn't it have happened to me?
Really, it's no big deal. I'm just going to put my feet up for a couple days.
We gotta go.
Go where?
The hospital?
Hospital?
Yes, I've got a friend in the ER, so there shouldn't be too much of a wait. So, it's a good thing that I was coming over.
What do you mean?
Well, the group, there was a mix-up. And they canceled, so we're covered for this weekend.
Oh, okay. Well, what are those?
Well, I was going to come over here and surprise you with K-pop tickets. But, too bad.
No! K-pop till I drop.
Not today, you don't.